Hello, gorgeous. Okay, so can we start with your name, your age, and your occupation?
Okay, hi, my name's Neek. I'm 30 and I'm an administrator. Don't like money, huh?
Come a bit closer to me, come on, baby. Yeah. So
I don't think it's that he don't like money. He's just, this is like first impressions. First impressions. That's where he's popping it from. She's kind of dressed like she's from the 90s still.
So we got an administrator, amazing. So you've only had one pop balloon. So let's go down to the end. Okay, I've got two. That's all right. Come on. Yeah. Gorgeous for this. Okay. Hello. So name, age, and why do you pop your balloon?
My name's Maury. I'm 22. That's kind of the reason. Yeah.
I like I'm young, but it's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. For me, it's a bit weird. So no.
Yeah. So is there a cut-off point for you where you're like, I want to go older than this?
Yeah, I get that still. Because he's a younger man and she's a female. I think the other way around, it wouldn't be so much of a problem. But that's cool. At least he's given a valid excuse.
Like maximum 4 years.
4 years?
Yeah.
And you obviously like I'm young. Is there a maximum or minimum you wouldn't go for lower than?
I mean, I go like 24 sometimes. So you're a little young, but you know, it's all right.
Yeah. Okay, fair. And then let's go a bit further back. We saw there was another pop balloon after that one. So name, age, occupation, and why did you pop a balloon?
My name is Tevin. I'm 30. I do private security and I also work in logistics.
So why did you pop a balloon?
I popped my balloon because she has too many characteristics to my older sister.
Okay. Yeah. So give me examples. What characteristics remind you of your sister?
Oh, she looks like her.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And is he someone you initially got?
I don't believe that because he don't look like her. So boy, unless you're talking like a sister that's not blood related. I get how she can remind him of his sister, but she don't. How can she look like the sister and she don't look like him?
Go for.
I wouldn't say he's my type, but you know.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like you remind me of someone that is a bit more than just his blood. So why would I cross that line? Yeah, fair.
It would be a bit awkward for me, so yeah, I wouldn't want to waste her time on mine. But you are beautiful, though.
Thank you.
Hi. Girl, you got a lot of options right now. Okay, so we still have 6 balloons unpopped. Girl, come here, come see this, because this is really good. Okay, you have 6 balloons unpopped. And I think this is where we can let you have a bit more control here. Man. I would say pop 2 balloons based off of first impressions, looks, swag, what you would initially go for. This is all for you. Yeah, make your way down and pop the balloon of the 2 guys you initially don't see as your type. Okay.
Sorry, sir.
No, I will do it for you, don't worry.
Oh, aggressive. Yeah.
Okay, amazing. So you popped 2 balloons. Let's start further down and work our way to the top. Yeah, so you went down here. Why did you pop my man's balloon? Let's start with that first. Yeah.
So it's the height a little bit. I'm not really too fussed on height, but it's just a little bit too short.
The thing is, she gets a pass to be fussed on height. She gets a pass because she's pretty tall. Look, she's taller than the whole lineup. So I get it. She's not average. You get me? She's not average. There's women out there that are way shorter than her, and that's average. So she can be kind of have a thing about height. But I think if you're short, if you want a tall guy, he should just be taller than you, and then that's it. You probably find your right person that way.
5'8" without my heels on, so I'd still be taller than you without them, and that's a bit much.
My ex 6'1", but that's cool.
I love that for you.
To be honest, I was gonna pop the balloon anyway, shorty. You're not my type.
That's cool.
Yeah.
I was gonna say he dresses American. I wonder if he's American, but she's what? She's 5'8" and he's 6'1". How high are her heels? What's going on? Someone's lying.
Okay, so you said you was gonna pop the balloon. So what was it about her that made you stick out? I guess then
I'm a little older myself, so I was just keeping it real and letting her have a chance. You know what I'm saying? Because for the old people, But Yeah,
Yeah.
she's a little too old for me.
Okay. And
Who's
is
old
he
for you?
okay?
Sorry.
Man said for the old people. Now you're just getting excited, bro. What do you mean, old people? He went mad. Yeah. The grilling's gonna come and he deserves it.
You?
Sorry, what decade were you born in?
Yeah, I'm just saying, you know, all of those questions is cool, you know what I'm saying? But you ain't
No, that's
qualified
a serious
enough.
question.
You don't even look like you
Or
could
the
bear kids
60s?
for me. You know what I'm saying? I ain't with it.
50s or 60s? Which one?
About 55. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, for shit show.
Yeah, he's mad. He's coming there to try and go viral. Let's be real. Come on, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the type is qualified and certified. You know what I'm
Mm.
saying? But you don't meet that. You don't meet the
I
criteria.
love
you know?
that I don't, because whoever
I can tell,
does,
you
poor
know.
girl.
Yeah, I can tell you's a dead woman demanding a live man. You know what I'm saying? Dead woman demanding a live man. It's too many of you. Go back in your casket. I'm not gonna save you today. You know.
This guy coming like he's just been waiting to grill someone. Get on the show and let's cuss the first girl. Whoever, let them just say one little slick thing and I'm just gonna go mad. Because he's doing too much. Way too much. Way too much. For what reason? Waste, man.
It's not happening.
It's interesting because you got a lot of chat for someone who waited for me to pop their balloon instead of just popping
exactly.
I told you I was giving. I respect my elders. You know.
Oh, your
I
elders.
respect my elders. I ain't gonna
darling,
do that to you.
who dug him up? Where did he dig?
And you're moving young, big man. You're like the little kid in school. You know, when you do something, my man's just instigating it on the side. Oh, come on, man, relax.
Him up from?
I'm just the host.
Where did you find him?
Okay. I think it's fair to say that both of you, there's no initial attraction, there's no
Hey, no.
energies. You're not her kind of person, he's not your kind of person, and you both basically dodged.
All the teeth
Bullet,
in the back
yeah.
of the mouth gone and
Big
everything.
old bullet.
Okay. Okay, so
Look at all my teeth.
Have all your teeth. And
All of
deal with
them.
me, man. You know.
All of them.
You're just looking like you Asian kind of quick.
okay,
And
so,
Asian. Did you say Asian?
Aging.
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 Okay.
You know.
okay, fair. Do you know what? Let's just move it down. Let's move it down. Okay, so cool. Do you know what? You two, the vibe is not there. It's okay. It's not your type. You're not his type. All right, go back to the top. Yeah. Cool. No loss there. Okay, and then you actually physically popped your balloon yourself. So yes, let's talk about that. Let's talk about that.
Listen, you see me, I don't like to wait on women, innit? If she already decided she doesn't want me, I'm eliminating myself. Kamikaze style. That's it.
Don't eliminate yourself if you've been eliminated, though. That's not how it
Well, listen, I'm gonna pop the balloon. I do it for myself. I don't need you to put the balloon for me, and I don't need to wait on you. So, yeah.
So far, I can tell why these men are on this show. And I'm sure you lot can tell why these men are on this show. Let's be real. And you lot will forever be on this show.
So I'm guessing it's kind of a thing where it's like, listen, I can get the vibe. You're not feeling me. Instead of me, you know, building it up for you to pop it, let me just do us both a favor and pop the balloon. And either way, you're happy with that. Yeah, it's not your type. Both of you, initial attractions there or not there? No.
For me, it was like she's got a unique dress sense, so like I was willing to give her a chance in it. But obviously, she's not interested in me. So,
Big man,
like Connor
you're
said,
talking too much, and you're giving too much talk. Allow it.
don't waste your time in it. You know what I'm saying? So no point in wasting my time.
No, you're wasting her
Same
time,
for
bro.
you. Yeah. Perfect. Do you know what it does? It just dilutes your options even better. So we have 3 balloons unpopped, girl. Oh, okay. So we have another pop balloon during that period. So name, age, occupation. Why did you pop your balloon?
Yeah, Darnell, I'm from Birmingham. I'm 30 and I'm a store support merchandiser and actor. I popped my balloon because of the initial connection between the brother here. It's like, yeah, it was.
That brother?
Yes, sorry.
Dress or do-rag, sorry?
Do-rag, yeah, that connection, I was like, you know, that could be me. That could be in front of me like that. So I was like, that's not the best. But I like the way you're dressed. You have got a unique dress style, like brother said, yeah.
I've seen way worse on these type of shows, yeah. Way worse. I don't think she really done anything. My man just went over the top. Yeah. These lot all got issues so far. So far.
You know, you're well dressed and put together, and you know.
So you didn't see it as like matching energies, maybe? He gave it to her, she gave it back. Did you not see it like that a bit?
Yeah, but again, maybe there's no real chemistry between us, and yeah, it's not for me.
Yeah. Is he someone that you would naturally, on a night out, when you think of the man of your dreams, is he someone that fits a little bit of that, would you say? Based off your first impressions?
Not in that scenario, no.
Yeah.
No. He seems cool. No, he doesn't seem cool actually.
Fair. Okay, so you have 3 balloons left unpopped, which is amazing. So we're gonna put the control maybe back to the boys. Okay. We're gonna ask them some questions. We're gonna get them to ask you a question for you, and then we'll see what takes us to the next round. Cool. Ready for it?
Yeah.
All right, let's go to our first one. So a question for our single lady.
No. I just got a bit frozen, but.
Okay, they're doing some mad editing scene. I don't know if you see it before. It's just cutting out of nowhere. Yeah, that ain't me. That was them.
What's your favorite sex position?
My favorite what?
Sex position.
You can pop your balloon. That's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so initially you asked her about a physical position for the bedroom scene. Yeah. So why did you feel like you wanted him to?
Why has she got to interpret it like all proper? We know what he said and we heard exactly what she said. She's just not on that. You get me? But it's what it is.
Of the balloon, it wasn't your vibe.
It just seemed like a really childish question to ask. Like,
I am 23.
There's no guarantee they're gonna get to have sex with me. So why does it matter?
Curious, isn't it?
Curiosity killed the cat, but not.
Nah, because if you're dead in bed, your favorite sex position will also be dead. So obviously, I'm not going to waste my time if it's just going to be dead, isn't it?
And do it really well.
Yeah, well, the
Right. Now let me jump on his side now. I get what he's saying. Men are physical beings. So it's mad for him to jump straight to it, but he's just being real. Like, boy, if you ain't got what I like in the bedroom, it's dead anyway. And I'm telling you, a lot of men think like that. They won't say it, but a lot of men think like that. The attraction, all of that, forget all of that. Oh, it's what's on the inside that counts, you know, the personality and all. No. Most men will deal with that later because we can put up with stuff. We'll deal with that. We have to be attracted to you. This brother is thinking if the bed scene ain't going down, it's not gonna work. So I kind of get what you're saying, but it's still mad to fly out the gate with that.
Why didn't you just answer the question then? Okay. But you was just getting hopped up on the missionary a second.
And he's 23.
And a bit.
Because it's an example, but let's keep going.
Okay. But you are.
We missed that. We missed whatever that happened. We missed it.
We all know that, don't we? Come on, let's go.
So, based off of that, initially, is he your type or?
It's cute.
Thank you.
I think it's cute. It's like a little. I don't want to say nerdy, but it's like it's not too flashy, but it's not too played down. It's like casual.
I don't think no one knows how to be polite on these shows, you know. I think even if I was on here, if I was ever on here, then I'm keeping it classy the whole way. I don't have to grill you. Even if you're grilling me, I don't have to grill you. That's long.
But cute, and I like that.
Thank
you.
You.
The way you dress. You've got a cute face. I like your jawline. Your beard is not too much. I don't like really big beards that well. So you've got you're cute.
Are you sure you wanted to pop the balloon?
Yeah, because the question was just a bit ill.
Oh, is that the only reason?
Yeah.
I'll take that.
Okay, so maybe if you came an approach where it wasn't more about the
so she ended up
physical,
complimenting
maybe a
him.
bit more, what she likes to read. Yeah, would you say that might have?
See?
Okay, fair.
And this is what I'm saying. That's a woman flex. That's what women. Man, it's crazy. She wants to know what's his personality, what he's like, and she wants him to be asking her those type of questions. But that's not him. That's not him. Nah, he wants to know the specifics.
It's good to know, though, right?
Of course.
All right, let's make our. So this is your question for our beautiful single lady, just to see the vibe. This is going to be someone you're going to also match with.
Okay. For me, it's what do you look for in a man? What's your like lifetime goal? Yeah.
So what she looks for in a man?
What you look for in a man in terms of like what do you want in a man? Is it a provider, a protector, all these other things? And then obviously, yeah, what's your plan? What's your what 5?
I don't think he thought out of that question too well. He's kind of winging it still. The man of freestyling the question. But let's hope she don't catch it and she can answer it.
Year plan in terms of
That's
in
not
a
a
relationship.
question.
That's not true.
That's two.
is.
It's not.
So what
No,
what
it's
she
more than
looks
two.
for a man, and what are her goals in the next 5 years? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, are you happy? Do you want to pick one or the other?
I can do both. I
Yeah,
guess.
you might as well. This
Alright,
is
cool.
you picking your man. So number one.
Okay, so the first one, what do I look for in a man? I look for safety, I look for happiness, and I look for someone that is humble enough to be able to put their guard down in terms of how they treat me. I like to be treated gently. If you're not gentle, you can go away. And yeah, that's kind of what I look for a man in terms of finances. Finances would be good. Everyone's not always, up. But if you're down all the time, I can't do down all the time. We can do middle ground together, you know what I mean? But not,
That's cool.
And then the second one, 5-year plan.
Past the life. Sorry.
You know what? Life is such an unpredictable thing.
Man.
You can set out your plan and something can change. We're in a recession right now. I thought this wouldn't be the way it is right now. So even where my plan was supposed to be this year isn't quite where it was supposed to be. So the plan constantly evolving and changing, but in the end goal, I want to be successful. I want to be happy. I want to have a family. I want to have a man. I want to look after my mom. I want to just be enjoying in the best way possible.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's go further down. And I'm guessing the same for you. Is that a question?
Oh, so obviously I like what I see. I like what I see.
Of course.
Yeah. But you can see the height difference. So what would you say, like, what's your take on like guys being same height as you? Like
5'8", 5'9".
Yeah,
No,
5'9", 5'10".
5'9", 5'10".
Yeah.
Hey, she's like 5'8", 5'9", like 5'9", 5'10". Don't try and take away them inches. You get me? Of course. But yeah, never mind.
Mine, I feel like if I'm barefooted and you're a bit taller than me, then that's fine.
Okay.
Heels is fine, I guess.
You know the trainers for men be having platforms these days.
All of them. They be snatching
No.
up 6 foot.
Yeah, no.
They listen, if you're wearing the right shoes, they ain't got platforms. To be fair, I got one pair. I got one pair. It's the air bubbles though on there. But no, we're not going with platforms. No.
Need for that. Yeah, nah. But okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, cool.
I like that answer.
You like it? Let's make our way back down.
Yes, he does.
All right.
Them
So
man are on
based
it.
off of the answers, no one has actually popped their balloons. So you're already sitting high. Okay, girl, you're doing really good because you've got 2 balloons left on pop. And this is where it's all
Look at him. He looks like a little child soaking, bro.
on you. So based off what you've heard, what you've asked, what they've answered, you're going to date now. Who are you going to pick out the 2 guys? The floor's yours.
Hi.
Hello. How you doing?
Anxious.
Why?
It's a hard decision.
Oh, I can't even bet on it.
You're lovely. You really are.
So,
I know.
he showed way more interest in her than he did. He was just kind of, just there.
That one, that's why I'm sorry.
What?
Wow! Is that what she did to you?
Question: would you have popped my balloon if I hadn't asked that question?
Wait. We will get there.
Okay.
He's still trying to. That man are still trying to. Look at him. He's a sick brother.
We will get there, okay? Hold that question. We will get there because a lot's just happened in the space of 10 seconds.
No, he ain't even let
cool.
the show simmer
let's
down. He even let the woman get back in place. Straight away, he's thinking, "Raw, all the balloons are gone. Boy, she might just take anything now."
down to our final two. And obviously you based it off of the responses, your questions, their questions. So you popped him first, right? Yeah? Why did you pop him? No, you popped. Okay, let's just backtrack. Okay.
No, but you pop me.
Okay, let's backtrack. So you were coming towards him.
Yeah.
It was looking like you were gonna pop him. He popped you. Okay, before we even get to you popping, she popped you.
I popped.
Okay, a lot's going on. Right, so what happened?
Doing
Can we
the
get
most.
what actually happened?
The balloon popped.
Okay, cool. Okay, do you know who? Who? Is there a replay? Can we get a replay? Is there a replay? Yeah. Okay. Cool. So we know the balloon was popped, but before it was popped, what was your initial? You got here, the questions were flowing. How did we get popped? So from your perspective,
They both seem so cool. They seem like nice guys. Their questions were respectable.
Wow.
And I felt like a nice little vibe, but then like, it's just the fashions. If I'd have walked out and my fashion was not it, you guys would have popped me. You guys didn't dress up like you should have dressed.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know what he's dealing with. Yeah, you're put together well. But I don't like when people do that. Like they're just, is this your best? Because you're talking like this is your best.
Dressed up.
Oh, nah. Oh, wow.
If I had walked out looking bummy, you would have popped your balloon. You
Bummy, you know. Bummy. Man's just wearing the track. That's it. I get it, like, but some people, that's just a country right now.
would have. So I can pop.
I think I gave you grace.
The best.
I think I gave you grace. I ain't gonna cap.
No, for real.
I feel like I gave you grace. That's all I'm saying. Not on a disrespectful thing, because
you know what?
That is on a disrespectful thing.
We'll get to you.
it's not just about what you're wearing and So I felt like
Yeah, that's annoying as well. That's annoying as well. Get that out of here by next year. Get that out of here. Type. Get that out of here. Please, like, really? Come on, man. Come on, man. We're going backwards.
I gave you grace, but okay, it's cool. My fashion, yeah, is what it is. I hear it.
All right. So what is it about his fashion you don't like? You know, is any positives? Is it just a whole no?
I like the jeans with the flower print on the jeans. I like them. But overall, I like color. I dress like I have a lot of color in the way I dress. I like a guy that's not afraid to have a little bit of color. Wear a pink, like be bold. And it's just
Catch that banter on the pavement. I was in salmon. Yeah, I don't be wearing these blacks too tough. I'll get into a lot of the colors now.
I like my men black, but I don't like black clothes. So yeah, it was just very, yeah. I'm sorry.
Yeah, not being funny. When we wear black, we always look like we're on the move. Let's just be real. We always look like we're on the move. So come on, guys, wear colors, bro. You think you're standing out, but you're not really. In a good way, you are. But yeah, I get it.
No, I hear it.
All right. So obviously we pretty much got to near the end. You two are the last two. It didn't obviously go well. Is there anything for you that you'd like to say? Just, do you know what I mean? You guys were so close. Now we're here. Is there anything you want to add?
Anything that is there anything I want to add? No, I mean,
It's your time to maybe fight for her. Change.
Fight.
I'm here for the love.
No, he's over the top. Sorry. Respectfully, big man. Definitely respectfully. You're over the top. You need to simmer it down just a little bit still. You get me? I didn't even catch his age. Maybe he's young. Maybe he's young. I didn't catch the age, but come on, bro. This is like a dating show. You need to show maturity to the gal them. Simple. No, it's just no one else ain't on that time, bro. It looks mad. Look, and then it's got, you know, when you're pushing guys to involve them. Okay. Come on. Pull it together.
I'll fight for my mum. I ain't gonna fight for you. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
based on that, obviously a balloon has been popped. How do you feel knowing that? Okay, it's not possibly the guy for you.
It feels cool. It feels fine.
no, it's
I
cool.
think there's hope for me next season to find love. So, you know, it's okay.
Right. So
No, just don't come back on here. Like, you can find love. You don't need to find it on here. You're definite. What's mad, yeah, is that after watching this now, if I was a female and I saw this, no disrespect to, you know, these lot doing their show or whatever, but if I saw this, I'm not going on there expecting to find love. I'm not. I might go on there if I want a man to take me on a date, maybe, or if I'm going for a little fun, if I'm just being real. But I'm not going on this show, any of these Pop the Balloon shows, to find love. Come on.
I wish you the best, honestly. No
Me
disrespect.
too. No, you're absolutely lovely. You are.
Take care.
yeah, the vibe's just not love enough.
It's giving like brother, you know? It's giving like
Yeah, it's giving sister.
No, that's not bad though, because it basically is.
it's giving like bestie.
See
Like,
you later,
we just,
sis.
We just chat about it.
See you later,
Oh,
sis.
no, you don't.
You know when the conversation is moving, let's keep moving.
Yeah.
Okay,
Moving.
so you were the other eligible
Keep it moving.
bachelor, and we didn't get a balloon. What happened?
Okay. Yeah, she popped me.
I'm sorry.
Why did you
Pop
pop
me.
me?
Also, it's the beard.
She popped me, big man. She popped me, what, like a cherry?
I don't like beards. I don't.
Okay. No, but here it is. I was gonna pop it anyways, but
Okay,
I wanted to hear you.
Listen, I look terrible without my beard. I shaved it one time, like all off. I look like that, like a thumb. Listen, I have to keep some sort of something going. Definitely the mustache. So all that you don't like beard, most men is part of them. It's part of them, you know.
No, obviously.
No matter what, he's not cutting his beard. The man who's got a beard, they're not cutting their beard for you. So if you see a man with a beard, she's correct. You don't like his beard, yeah, you might as well keep it moving. I know he's not cutting his beard.
It's calm in it, but like, yeah, it was the height thing, but yeah.
So for you, just to round it off for you, would you say the beard was kind of your, just not your vibe?
Baby face.
Just a little less
24.
facial hair, you know, even if you have one, just make it little.
Type. Yeah, no. Cool.
Okay, let's get ourselves back to the front. Let's just get ourselves back to the front. Okay, so we don't have any unpopped balloons, but that's okay. It just means you're a bit closer to meeting your prince amongst the toads, you know? So based off of...
You don't have any balloons there left. So hold on, did she speak to everyone? Yeah, I think she did.
Of this whole episode, initial traction, you know, vibes. Is there anyone here, you walked in now and you said, this is my type, I would want to get to know this person, they can take me out on a date, just based off first impressions? You might as well go towards them. That'd be nice.
It's gonna be
not
him.
Particularly, no.
If
not
he was
really,
older.
no.
Not one person?
Not that I would just be like, oh yeah, like I will approach him. No.
Yeah, but that's because women don't approach men. So she can't even visualize it happening.
No.
Fair. And do you know what? And that's okay. Sometimes you're just not everyone's cup of tea, you know? Some people like coffee, some people like vodka in the morning, and it's all right. So based off of that, we didn't get your match today, but do you know what? It's still open. I feel like there's still hope. I'm not giving up. Yeah? Just give it a
Yeah, we're gonna stop that video right there. But it was decent. We're gonna go and keep watching those ones. The next one, I know the one I'm gonna do is gonna be switched around where the females are gonna be on the lineup. And the guy's gonna come out. We'll see how that one goes. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, especially if you made it this far. Subscribe.
priceless, let it be told.